All done. The back half is complete. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog, and yeah, still on the S13. So today I'm just gonna quickly start this vlog off by converting the front to 5-lug. This is a lot easier than the back because it's just one bolt. It's literally the axle bolt and the little lock washer that's in there. So it's not super difficult. So I'm just gonna quickly do this and get this out of the way. All right, where's 30? Boom, thanks.
Welcome.
This thing's already missing the cotter pin, but we did buy extra cotter pins, so that's that. I think the washer might be missing. Thanks. I also realized 2 studs are just completely missing.
It's moving.
Huh. The bearing broke. God damn it. Said the damn wheel bearing broke, but if you ever want to see the inside of a wheel bearing, there it is. Let me see something real quick before I bang that off and break it too. That's a nice sealed bearing in there.
I did not get a chance to filming it, but we knocked it off. Where'd it go?
Yeah, the bottom of the bearing. Garbage. This one's easy to do, but I don't have the washer, so I'm just gonna put it on for now. It's supposed to just slide right on, so I'm trying to figure that out. Let me put the glove on. Stiff.
Already? Oh, I think you poked a hole in it.
No,
Oh, no, you broke it.
Ripped it in half. All right, whatever. All right, whatever, guys.
Good enough.
Yep, everybody looking pretty. Glove fell apart, boy. I tell you what.
Okay, moment of truth.
Like, I feel like I'm not doing anything wrong. I feel like it's just supposed to go over. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
After a little bit of convincing, it went on. All right. It don't look perfectly straight, but whatever. It's got to figure itself out, I guess, once the bolt goes on. I don't have the washer yet, so I'm gonna have to put the washer on later, but I'm going to get that washer. All right, the suspension's not done yet, but the brake rotor's on the car just so we can put the wheel on and get it all situated. I am missing that washer, so we will get that after, and I just gotta call around on Monday. So, a lot of banging.
Tomorrow.
Hi, Dylan.
How you doing? How you doing?
Thanks for coming to our rescue.
No problem.
Are you camera shy?
Yeah.
Okay. The next day.
So of course, after talking about this was supposed to be easy, I have gotten clacked, and a wheel stud broke, and all this other stuff, and yeah, here we are. So Dylan's here, and he's gonna weld it for me because the stud broke out of the hub, and the lug nut stripped.
Yeah, I'll do. Alright. The subframe is pretty small, but the thing is, the cage is probably gonna smack right here.
What is it?
The subframe is so small, but it's like in the worst spot area.
Well, I was supposed to be doing like that fancy ass oil
Yeah.
pan, but I think I'll end up having to take that brace out. The strut fell out, and of course that's stuck too, so I might just have to do that coilover. But we have to take some pictures, so I'm not gonna put the other coilover in yet. So I'll have one coilover for photos.
And I'm gonna do that one.
Dylan was about to start a YouTube channel for all his crazy swaps.
No, you was gonna start it.
Listen, I will. Keep playing.
Do you want us to come and film it?
Listen,
I'm really good at getting close, like all the close-up shots.
listen. I'm trying to be famous off an R7 or an X3 with a 1J, you know what I mean? Like, collect out clout.
Oh my gosh.
Fucking bolt.
Appreciate you.
No problem.
Oh, man.
Look, the hub.
That was
All right, hang on. This got to go this way.
so much struggles last night.
Oh my god. Oh, fuck. I touched the weld. All right, the coil got stuck yesterday, of course. It fell out, so I unbolted it, and here it is. Time to go get the BC.
Do you want me to get it?
Yeah, if you want to get it, you can get it. We're not going to skip on the ones that matter. And of course, I got extras when I bought the other.
Let's talk about the bolts.
It's got to be
Those are the
these.
Nissan. And we got our coil.
This just says knuckle, bolt knuckle. I mean, some of these got to be it, right? Wait, no, it's probably these.
I'm gonna put this here so it stays nice and safe until we are ready. Let's go see what Rebby's doing.
I got it on already.
Oh.
Unlike yesterday where we struggled to no end.
I was taking my sweet time putting coilovers on the seat to keep them nice and
Can you
safe.
hit this with brake cleaner real quick for me?
Yes.
Just clean it up. All right, it's missing the washer, so remind me to get the washer, and yeah. That will be this. But at least we're getting it together for now, and then because there's gonna be a little bit of play without that washer in there, so it has to be on there. Otherwise, we'll end up blowing the bearings out. Where's the coilover now?
Coilover time. I'm trying to. I'll get the jack after. You're welcome. Okay, don't do anything yet. Let me go get the jack.
So let me ask you a question. Does this go on the front side or the back side? This is the back side, right?
It doesn't matter just because this can only bolt on one way.
It's exactly the same on both sides.
You get what I'm saying?
Let me.
I think the top part of the coilover is universal. Only thing that's left and right is the bottom because of this bracket.
Yeah. So does this bracket go on the back side?
It can't move. I mean, once it's bolted in here, it's wherever it's at.
Right. That's what I'm saying. So let me see something. I'm having a moment. I know what you're saying, but
Yeah.
let me just check something.
Say this again.
Oh, when you're sitting in the car, that's how you gauge if it's right or left. So this is the right side. The passenger side is the right side. The driver's side is the left side.
Okay, so that's the wrong one.
Yeah.
Got the right one?
I think we're on the track now.
Okay. Okay, so you were right originally.
Listen, there's
How
no
is
right and
that-
wrong when I'm always guessing.
It's
I guessed the entire back of the car onto the from a janky diagram John sent me. I got it.
Okay.
Wait, I'm being crazy. Dylan, help me understand this real quick. Is this slightly too big of a knuckle for this? Because it ain't slipping right into it.
I think the tolerances are just because it's aftermarket on aftermarket.
Yeah.
So everything's just slightly different, and the paint. Because if you look, it's barely there. I think it's more just a. I think you need to eat that bitch in there.
That's kind of what I was thinking. This arm, can you jack this up real quick? I pull it out a little. So.
Maybe get your little rubber hammer and get the smack. Oh, there you go.
Oh wait, it's going in.
Yeah, smack it up with your hammer. Oh, the jack maxed out.
Wow.
You got like a piece of wood.
All right, let's leave that in
Yeah,
there.
leave it in just to hold it until you
Yep.
figure it out.
Wait, what did I miss while I walked around the car?
I think we got the wrong bolts. Here's a new bolt from Nissan, brand new. And I think that's the right one. There you go. Dylan, I need your help again real quick.
Hammer.
I know, I'm about to. Just try to be civil right now, okay? That's always my follow-up plan. Pain. Okay, so this is done. Can you get me the 19 ratchet?
Yep.
Or a wrench?
Yep.
Cool as fuck, bro.
Okay, take 2.
Putting the finishing touches on this?
It is so hot. There's a bee flying around or a wasp.
Oh, it's behind you. All right, take 2. The finishing touches on our BCs. Got this.
Yes. Is it? It might be a 13.
All right, now that you found it.
It's a 14.
Oh, you got to get a long one.
Damn it.
Take 2.
Was it take 2 or is it like take 5?
I don't know. Hey. Oh, wasp. It's right behind you. Run. Yep, it's right here, Tina.
Where?
It's right here. Oh, wow.
What?
Oh, okay. It went into the van. Hey, you got the brake rotor on there?
Yeah, hold on. That wasp is trying to kill us.
There's a wheel. All right, coming down. Watch that log on the other side, please. All right, the car has no brakes, so if there's wood under the wheel, probably put wood under the wheel.
Hold on.
Thanks. I'll take it.
Thank you.
Yep, thank you.
Welcome.
Okay, car's coming down. I didn't mean to drop it that fast, but okay. It's out.
Oh my gosh. We've got 4 wheels.
Right?
Four wheels.
4 rolling wheels right now.
Oh my gosh.
Minus this side. This side.
It's okay.
The BC's not on this side yet, but everything else is done.
I already told them that size mine.
It's right behind you. Run.